First of all, what do you see Speechify becoming in 5 years' time?
So right now, people are consuming between like 7 and 10 billion words per month with Speechify. My goal is that we're consuming 1 trillion words per month with Speechify. That's number one. Number two is we really genuinely want to make sure that dyslexia is solved and reading is never a barrier for learning for anyone. That means that I can walk into any room in the world. It could be here, it could be in Ghana, and I can go, hey, my name is Cliff, I have dyslexia. Who has this? And then some hands will go up. Great. Who's heard of Speechify? Hands stay up. Who uses Speechify? All the hands should stay up, right? That's one goal. The second goal is we want to be the #1 audiobooks company in the world. So now we've just launched audiobooks. So if you go to speechify.com/bookstore, you can get any audiobook for $1. So highly recommend trying it out. It's an amazing experience. Next is, I think between 1990 and 2007, the best thing to own was a company of 1,000 software engineers. Between 2007 and today, the best thing to own was a company of 1,000 mobile software engineers. And between today and 2050, the best thing to own is a company that has 1,000 AI engineers. And so I want to continue leaning a lot more into that part of our company and innovate a lot more around the voices, transcription, translation, audio. Now what we're doing is we're taking all the ebooks in the world and we're translating them to all languages instantaneously. So no matter what language the book was written in, you can read it in high quality in any language. There's 450,000 audiobooks on Audible, but 10 million books that have been written. Our technology can allow us to turn any book into an audiobook instantly. Basically, we're creating instant audiobooks out of everything, and instant audiobooks in multiple languages. As you have, 1 billion people consuming with Speechify, we get the data of whether you completed reading on a web page or not. No one has that data, right? But I know you click pause on word 547 out of 800 on this PDF, on this email, on this whatever, and I can start recommending the internet to you better than anybody else could. And so in the long term, there's actually an opportunity to compete with Google on how you serve the internet. But that's 5 years from now.